Imagine being stuck with a broken-down car in the middle of nowhere. What do? This is where a credit card can be a lifesaver. It's a powerful tool that lets you borrow money to make purchases or cover unexpected expenses. But what exactly is a credit card, and how does it work? A credit card, in simple terms, is like a small loan you can use anytime. Think of it as a pocket-sized, powerful tool that lets you borrow money from a financial institution to make purchases. The borrowed money must be paid back, and if it's not paid back in full by a certain date, interest is charged on the remaining balance. But there's more to credit cards than just borrowing. They offer the convenience of making purchases without carrying cash around. Plus, with responsible use, they can help build your credit score, which plays a crucial role in securing future loans and mortgages. One of the fun perks of credit cards is the rewards programs. They can range from cashback to travel points, depending on your card. There are also different types of credit cards, such as rewards cards, secured cards, and student cards, each with its own pros and cons. So, why might you want one? There are several reasons why owning a credit card can be beneficial. Let's start with the importance of building a credit history. When you use a credit card responsibly, you're showing lenders that you can manage borrowed money, which can help you secure future loans, mortgages, or even a dream car. Now let's talk convenience. Gone are the days of carrying bundles of cash or writing checks. With a credit card, purchases are just a swipe or tap away. Plus, it's safer. Most credit cards come with fraud protection, so your money is secure even if your card gets stolen or misused. But that's not all. Credit cards also offer various rewards programs. Depending on the card you choose, you could earn cash back on everyday purchases, gather points for travel, or even enjoy exclusive discounts at your favorite stores. While there are advantages, it's also crucial to understand the potential pitfalls. Like any tool, a credit card can be beneficial or harmful, depending on how you use it. Diving into the deep end of credit card usage without understanding the potential dangers can lead to a quicksand situation known as the debt trap. It's an all too common story. You spend a little here, a little there, and before you know it, you're sinking in a sea of high-interest debt. The ease of just swiping or tapping your card can often blur the reality of the financial commitment you're making. It's crucial to remember that every purchase is a loan that needs to be repaid, often with interest. Overspending not only adds to your financial burden, but it can also lead to long-term debt, particularly if you're only making minimum payments. Speaking of minimum payments, they might seem like a convenient way to handle your credit card bill, but they're a sly trap. When you only pay the minimum, your remaining balance doesn't disappear. It lurks, growing with added interest, and can keep you in debt for years longer than you'd expect. Missed payments and high credit utilization also have a sneaky side effect. They negatively impact your credit score, which can affect your ability to secure loans or mortgages in the future. Remember, the key to smart credit card use is responsibility. Are there alternatives to credit cards? While credit cards can be useful, they're not the only option. Consider debit cards, for instance. They offer a great way to manage your spending and avoid the slippery slope of debt. You're spending money you already have, eliminating the risk of accruing interest. Let's wrap things up. So, we've covered a lot about credit cards today. From their convenience and security to the potential pitfalls of overspending, it's clear that they're a powerful tool when used wisely. Do your research, find the card that suits your needs, and always practice responsible use. Remember, the key to using a credit card wisely is understanding how it works and using it responsibly.